Hey guys, this is Jacobs here, and I'm back with another video on the particular business model that we call arbitrage trading. As we all know, arbitrage trading is a business in which you buy low from one exchange and you sell high at another exchange. And for this particular video today, we'll be making use of Bitcoin and a secret website, and you will also need to have what, a verified PayPal account. You would also need to have what, a verified PayPal account. And now for this particular arbitrage business, is more suited for those who are in the US or those who are using dollars. So if you are in the USA, you are using dollars as your currency, and you also have a verified PayPal account, a PayPal account that is working very well, you can also tap into this business model. And now for this arbitrage to work, like I said, we'll be making use of Bitcoin. You'll be buying Bitcoin from any exchange or any crypto exchanges that you know. And all you have to do is just make use of this secret website to perform your transaction, and then you get funded in your PayPal. And then when the funds get to your PayPal, then you can figure out, I'm sure you guys already know how you withdraw from your PayPal and everything in the US, so I'm not going to talk much about that. Now for this particular video, you'll be needing a capital of $500 above, but let's say you are starting with a capital of $1,000. So if you are starting with a capital of $1,000, now one thing I want to show you first is that this is Roku, a Nigerian platform. It's a tested and trusted cryptocurrency platform, so you guys can also look into it and make use of it. Right now Bitcoin is trading at 26,500 something. 26,000, let's just say 26,500. Let's just talk about that and say that is the price. But for this particular platform that I have right here, as you can see, if you use one Bitcoin, they'll be paying you 26,833.85. So between the normal price of Bitcoin and to the price of Bitcoin on this WhatsApp, there's a difference of at least 300. There's a difference of at least what? Of at least 300, which means that if you are able to buy one Bitcoin and you use this website to perform a transaction in which your Bitcoin will be swapped to PayPal funds, you'll also be making what? A little bit of profit. Now let's say we go to where we want to get our Bitcoin, and let's say we get what? We get $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. You'll be getting 0.03766 BTC. You'll be getting 0.03766 BTC. Now that worth of BTC, let's impute it here. 0.03766. As you can see, we are making an extra $10.57. You are making an extra $10.57. Like I said, this website will help you to transfer or swap your Bitcoin funds into PayPal funds. And on top of it, you'll be making $10 profit extra, 10.57 profit extra. So for those living in the US or your currency is the US dollar and you also have a verified PayPal account, this is a perfect opportunity for you to use an. Now the website is called X Wallet. If you want the link to the website, you can DM me privately on my WhatsApp. Everything is on the description below. I'll give you the link. All you have to do is just register and perform the transaction. You can also look up the website at Trustpilot or Scam Advisor. But as for me, I've seen this website and it is working perfectly. Now, for this arbitrage to work once more, you'll be needing where you can get Bitcoin, a verified PayPal account, and that's all you have to do. Now, if you are making $10.57 on every successful transaction, and we're able to do it 10 times in a day, you get 105.7. If you're able to do it successfully in 1 week, you get $739.9. And if you're able to do it successfully in 1 month, you get almost $3,000. So it is another opportunity as an arbitrage trader to also profit from this website, because they'll be paying you higher, they'll be swapping your PayPal funds higher than the amount at which you bought your Bitcoin. So that's all for this video. I would like you guys to subscribe and like my channel. The links to all my groups are down below. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp. Join my WhatsApp group for more updates. And once more, as well as always, I'll be dropping more videos on any updates I discover regarding arbitrage trading or any business opportunity out there that you guys can follow up on and do. Thank you very much.